Hello fellas, I have the Makita angle window. It's a DGA506 and it's even not moving, so I'll check why it's not moving. I will remove the gear house. And now I can see that the gear housing moves easily, and not moving part is the armature. Even cannot move the housing. Yeah. Oh. Okay. What we have found here, that the end ball bearing is completely destroyed. So what we need to do, we need to take out the outer ring of the armature, and of course open it to inspect if the ball bearing balls not made any damage. Okay, and the field inside seems to be touching something like ball bearing balls or something, but it's not damaged. So now we need a new ball bearing to test it. Okay, and what ball bearing we need, we will see on this plate. 607. The camera will not focus it. Okay, so we need to get the replacement ball bearing. Okay, I have found the replacement ball bearing, and now taking out the inner ring with the. Now I have the spare bearing here. I will basically just put it on my table, so the shaft, and hammer it, and it will start to go on the IC. You can use the socket like this and hammer it in the inner ring. Okay, now we have it in place, and I'm just checking if this will press the switch. Yeah, it will press the switch. Okay, inserting the field, back again, run it with a gear IC. Okay, so it worked really nice, and that was a ball bearing problem. We have replaced it, and now if you want, we need to deassemble it and clean it, and of course that can be made not on a video or something.